In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. First, open Instagram, then go to your profile, tap on your profile picture plus icon to add a story, then select a photo. Next, tap the arrow to expand the menu, then tap draw. Choose a color for the background, then tap and hold on picture to apply in the background color, then tap on done. Now tap the sticker icon. Then tap photo, select the photo that you want to add. You can move it around, resize it and press and hold it to rotate it. Then tap the sticker icon again, select another photo, resize it and place it on your story. Keep repeating this process until you have added all the photos you want. When you are done, tap the arrow icon to share your story. And that is how you can add multiple photos in one Instagram story. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.